What's going on, guys? It's your man Jay Will. I'm going to give you a quick rundown of the Ringke suite for the Galaxy S10 Plus. Now, shout out to Ringke for sending over their cases. They always do it every year. And this is for the Plus. So I'm just going to crack these open, pop them on, let you see what they look like, and we'll move on. So this first one here is that new series, the Fusion series. It's called the Fusion X. And they brought this one out, I think last year was the first year that they debuted this one, and it's different. You know, it's kind of like a rugged style drop protection type case with a little bit of fancy design there. So let's pop it on here. When you get the Plus, at the recording of this video, the phones are not out yet, but I do have a dummy unit here that I've been using for the case reviews, just to give you some sense of how it's going to look on your phone. So you can see the cutout for the camera. It's got like the sloping design around the edges there, and then on the bottom here, all ports are going to be lined up just fine. Ringke does a good job at lining up their information on their cases. Headphone, charging sync, microphone is cut out separately, and speaker there. Power button way up here is ridged, so that's good on this case. And then the Bixby button is ridged as well. And then you got your volume rocker here. Corner protection for sure. You can see the bumps, the way the case is designed. They actually show you the corner protection here. So if you drop this on the corner, you should be okay. Not a lot of lip protection here, but there is some. You can kind of see at that angle, you get a little bit of lip protection here. Faint Ringke branding over here that says Fusion X. And that's pretty much it, man. This is a beautiful looking case. It does have a lot of grip. It's a soft touch matte, so it has a lot of grip here. And it is clear, so depending on which case you get, or excuse me, what color you get, you'll be able to see the phone itself. Now, this is the Ringke Fusion. This is one of my favorites here because it has the black border on it, or like a charcoal gray type border. Really nice. This is one of their older editions of their cases. This isn't. This one is really sweet. It looks really good on the sides of the phone here, so it stops it from fading and things like that. So that was a thing with clear cases. Some clear cases do fade over time. Honestly, I haven't had any of the newer Ringke cases fade because I do use them. So let's pop this one on the dummy unit here, and you'll see here how it looks. Don't mind all the labels here. Just you're supposed to remove those before you put them on. So but here we go. Same thing, appears to have about the same amount of lip protection as this case right here, the Fusion X. The Fusion feels a lot more grippy. It's not a matte surface, and so it feels a little bit more grippy. Power button is not ridged on this one, but it's ridged on the Bixby button. And volume rocker is not ridged as well. In these cases have little lanyard spots on there. I don't know of anybody who uses lanyards anymore. If you use a lanyard, shout out in the comments and I might give you a case. So ports are all cut out down here. On the bottom, the same. Buttons are going to line up the same. Make sure you look for that microphone at the top up there on these cases when you are searching for a case or any case. It needs to match up to your phone. And these cases are case friendly, screen protector friendly for when you're buying your tempered glass or your some protection for your phone. So again, another Fusion here. This is just the clear version of the same case that I just opened up there. The clear version. This one really looks boss, man. I really like this. So this is for the person who wants some nice drop protection but doesn't want to cover up the color of their phone. Or you just like clear cases. You just like to see your phone, because some people put a skin on their phone and, you know, it looks really sweet. And again, same setup here. Don't need to go into detail on it. It is exactly the same. Now, one of their most popular cases is the Onyx. Everybody knows the Ringke Onyx case. This has got to be one of the most. It's one of the cases that put them on the map, I say. This is just a phenomenal case, and it's super thin, but it's also got a lot of drop protection. So this is just a spectacular case, man. It feels really good, lots of grip. As you can see, military grade drop protection put down inside of there. I love how they do the inside of this case. This has got all the information in there. This has got to be one of their top selling cases. It has to be. I pretty much have this case for every phone that I have, just about, I think. And there's a lot of versions of this case that are a different brand that you can find for like $3, $4, but I've got them and they just don't feel. If you want to save some money, yes, but I don't know if they'll give you the same kind of protection. And they don't feel as good as this case feels. This is actually textured on the top and bottom here. This is a soft touch, grippy, man. It just feels fantastic. The Bixby button is ridged on this one. The volume and power are not ridged. Has like this little indentation on it though. You got that cut out around the camera with the shiny black so you don't get any flashback on film when you're doing video or taking a photo. All ports again cut out. This case it makes the phone feel really small. It's not as bulky as these, and these aren't even bulky. This is like an ultra thin drop case monster right here, drop protection right here, man. This thing is just fantastic, man. Again, not a lot of lip, but it does have lip for lay on the table design. All of their cases are like this. So keep that in mind. I would definitely suggest that you put a screen protector, and they did in fact send over some screen protectors. Yeah, so they sent over some screen protectors for the S10 Plus. They are there. Dual easy film. You got it. So this has got to be just the best case that I've ever seen from Ringke, man. I love this case. It is just awesome. And then they sent over one of their wallet cases. So this is different. I know a lot of women prefer wallet cases. I only use wallet cases if I'm going to some kind of function. And shout out to Ringke for knowing the color schemes that I pretty much like on wallet cases. This is nice. This is, okay, so check this out, folks. This is a 2-in-1. Because this is this case, and they did it right. You can see here, this is pretty much the Ringke Onyx in the wallet form. And that is boss. That is boss, man. And they now have the Velcro to make sure it stays like this. A lot of these cases didn't have the Velcro on it like this. And so, you know, it was kind of like a flop fest. But you can use this for videos when you set your phone down like that. Let's pop this in. So this is nice, man. You pretty much get the Ringke Onyx in wallet form, which is really nice. Put some cash in there, put a couple of cards in there. I don't recommend that you put too many cards in there because ultimately, you know, you're gonna stretch it too much and it'll poke out on your screen. Wallet cases, I would just slide an ID in here and put a couple dollars, a $50 bill or $100 bill in there and keep it flat, because the form factor of the case will stretch. It will start to get a little deformed. But, you know, that's up to you. You do what you want. So, again, this is just an Onyx case in a wallet form. So it's going to be the same for everything. Fantastic. And, again, it can sit up like so to watch movies. Boom. There it is. So there you have it, folks. The full Ringke suite here for the Galaxy S10 Plus. Ringke always has some fantastic cases lineup. I still say, you know, the Onyx, you know, and this Fusion lineup is just boss, man. And it's up to you to decide which one you like. But it's your man Jay. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hit the links in the description if you want to pick up some of these cases. I'll copy the links that they gave me, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. I hope you enjoy your Galaxy S10 Plus whenever you get it. If you're watching this before you got it, I hope you consider buying these cases to support Ringke. Really good company. I used to purchase all their cases, and then, you know, they saw my YouTube channel and they started supporting my YouTube channel. So Ringke is a company that supports YouTubers for sure that don't have a lot of subscribers, because they've been supporting me for quite some time. And, you know, I'm moving up in subscribers, but I still see other subscribers that have a lot less subscribers than me, and they get all the same thing I get. So it lets you know that Ringke is a legit company when it comes to supporting YouTubers to try to push their brand. You know what I'm saying? So that's the good thing about Ringke. They don't just shoot to the people who have 5 million subs and tell them, because honestly, how often do you see people with 5, 10 million subs doing case reviews? 100. It's your man Jay. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.